Currently, there are 4 million self-employed individuals in the UK, and they made £303 billion in contributions to the country's economy. Let's look at 5 small company ideas for the UK that you may launch right away if you want to work more freely and be a member of the self-employed workforce. According to a report, the UK economy has seen a significant increase in market stall traders, rising by 92%, so starting a market stall can be a profitable idea for you. One market trader: since the start of COVID-19, people feel uncomfortable in crowded indoor spaces. As a response to this, market stall traders are rapidly emerging and making it a fastest growing industry in the UK. According to a research, market stall traders in the UK economy have increased by 92%. Therefore, opening a market stall can be a profitable option for you. However, before opening a market stall, there are some things that you need to decide, such as whether you are going to rent a stall or whether you might want to buy a van so that you can move about the streets. Pricing policy. Among the well-known market-style concepts in the UK are second pet sitting, craft vendors, antique clothing, and hot food booths. Since the beginning of the pandemic, 3.2 million UK residents have purchased pets, so it's no surprise that the number of new dog walking businesses increased by 22% year on year. Starting a pet walking business in the UK is fairly simple with low startup costs and less risk aside from due to the fact that people must leave their pets behind when they go to work. Dog sitting services are required. Wholesome and active. A wonderful method to make quick money is to give your skills to take care of people's dogs, whether that means walking them, spending time with them throughout the day or overnight, or even taking them to the veterinarian. Third-party daycare facilities. With an anticipated growth rate of 24.8%, the child care services business in the UK is placed 10th among the human health and social work activity industries by market size. Fourth, home baking in the UK had a 53% increase in the number of businesses between 2020 and 2021. South Central England experienced the biggest increase, with a growth rate of 49%, followed by the Midlands at 47%. Whether it is a festival event or any other gathering occasions, people want to celebrate, and no celebration is complete without cakes and snacks. Northern Ireland saw an increase of 47%, and London rose by 15%. If you have a talent for baking, start small. Bakeries have a fantastic potential for high earnings and growth, are simple to set up and operate, and can be the greatest business to start. 6th, online store. In terms of global e-commerce market size, the United Kingdom ranks 4th with a roughly $105 billion in revenue in 2020. With 31% of the UK's e-commerce revenue, fashion is the largest sector, followed by toys, hobbies, and DIY with 19%, electronics and media with 8%, food and personal care with 7%, and furniture and appliances with the remaining 15%. When launching an e-commerce business, you have 2 options. 1. Perform market research on competitive price and product demand. 2. Buy the stock at your margin. And 2. Start selling products. E-commerce enterprises are simple to start with minimal initial expenses and little risk. Build a website of your own or begin selling on popular UK marketplaces. The main benefit of selling products is using platforms like Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and Wayfair. A huge and engaged audience, so if you appreciate this video and want to see more insightful information in other areas of life, please like and subscribe to our channel.